Morning everyone. Look at this. Snowing again.
Love mountains.
Oh, look at that. That is a nice photo.
Pretty bright, isn't it?
Right folks, the snow is gone. That was pretty quick and now it's boiling again. So we're going to take a little drive up the valley and see how it's looking. We'll try and get up to Latour. We might be able to park in that park in that car park where I went in the summer, if it's thawed out yet.
Don't lick me.
So we're going to go check it out, because I think this spot is well and truly been overused. So
Wait, don't go yet. I need to take this first.
getting them sweet shots. Ski. Yeah, but we've got to go up there if we want to ski now. So we'll do it properly next winter. Buy ski passes and...
You've got to bear that in mind because it's not really that far away. When can you buy tickets from?
I think your early bird ones are October. We'll just buy them in advance from wherever we are.
Yeah, so what I mean is we've got to make sure we've got enough money for them.
Yeah, but...
Oh, flipping love mountains. I flipping love them. I love them.
So different.
I don't like it.
Huh?
I don't like it.
It's not quite as smack in the face, is it? But it's still cool.
It doesn't look as big, does it? It looks small. Oh, it looks nice over there.
See how this car park looks now, but it's going to be very different. I never stayed in here in the summer.
I don't remember that bridge.
You couldn't see anything. Could you look at the river?
Oh my god, it's Wonderlow. Look at Wash Me In.
There's one of the snowcats.
Oh my god, look, all the snow's gone.
So weird.
Oh look, they've got a bin at the end of there now.
That was probably there the whole time.
I was just thinking that, I'm telling you.
I like it. It's like a completely different place again. Mountain that we climbed up on the left.
Oh yeah. Can't climb it again just yet.
Probably not. I don't know. You probably could, you know.
I really want to go do some mountain mountains. Wink. Please, can we get that?
What?
That road down there, with this bridge here.
Oh, there's a park up there.
And mountain behind.
There's a place you can park, I think, called Fan at half night.
Please, can we go?
Now,
No, on the way back.
maybe.
We need to create some Instagram.
Still very snowy up here. Maybe we should walk up there first.
Probably as bad as it was the first time.
I don't think that car park even exists in the winter. Like, it's just not a thing. It's still snowier than I was expecting. If only it was that empty when we were skiing,
Yeah.
it'd make life a lot easier.
What's it stand for? What's it? So where is it? Down there?
Down there.
Oh,
Yeah, but that's not it. It's further down. I bet it won't be open yet.
You're going to have to reverse all the way back if not.
No. Turn around, dude. this?
All of it.
Oh! No way.
Oh my god, look!
Oh my god.
Wait, so this is it? Oh my god, it's so weird. It weren't exposed properly because it's so...
Oh!
Oh my god, this is it.
Mate.
Now I
Sick.
get it.
I'll
So
get
that's the
photo
beginner
of that
slope,
later.
just there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so because they've not pieced it. Look, there's the pommers. So this
So now I
here,
understand, yeah.
this is the right slope, the softer
Yeah, I
one.
know.
That's so weird, isn't it, to see that now?
Yeah, really weird. Almost can't even. What do you think, babe? Ready for some snow?
Okay, I want to get a photo of the van now with all the mountains.
Oh, wait.
Oh wait, it's proper sludgy. Look at this. How weird is this now? You can see the beginner area where we started. You can see it on there. The pommers going up, and this is the slope where we learnt on. So weird to see it like this now. Couldn't even access this car park before. Best of all, look at this, the sun directly above us. We're getting 17 amps of power going in. So power issues are a thing of the past. Well, until next winter. That's where I was parked there in the summer, in that corner, and then the donkeys are in this little bit.
Donkeys?
Remember the donkeys that came over on the video?
No.
Man, it's ridiculous. Look at that. Yeah, I've got my shutter on 500.
Bob? What a prick.
So weird, man, that there's snow and it's warm.
Oh, I know. I don't know why I wouldn't slip there.
I'm actually,
There's shit there.
I'm borderline sweating. Oh my god. So fucking cool.
It's nice to be back in the snow, Bob.
Okay, this I like, because this is a good balance. It's snowy, but you can walk.
Yes.
And it's not freezing, minus 20. One of those tits up there. Dormant.
I think I need new sunglasses. But then when I take them off, it's too bright. You know what I mean?
I think the plunge pool's up there, and that's the bridge. But there won't be a bridge at the minute. Looks like. Look at this one. I don't think they build that bridge again till summer. But we've got the sunnies, bastard. You'd go proper blind here, wouldn't you?
No,
Yeah.
But it's true.
Oh my god, it's so nice. Come on, Bob. Oh, mate, I could have cracked the soles out. Got one last wear out of them, or one first wear, even. Oh, bubble. I'd like to go for a hike to get the snowshoes out.
Yeah, I don't have any, so on your own.
Up there. Better be freezing up there still. Yeah, it's easy with snowshoes. You just walk across the top. Oh, stop pissing. Go on then. Bubbles forgot how to use the snow. How to drive in the snow. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, that's so good. One time, and we were running around in the snow, but we kept falling over in it.
Yeah.
What have you done? Is that fallen over?
Got so much snow down my ankles. What? You being a wuss?
No, it's just something.
There's the dip. Up. Wait. You fancy it? That's where I went that time.
I don't remember.
Comes off the glass here. So good, nice.
Washing hair, but it's a bit too cold.
The pool down there is so fucking... It like shocks your system. It's good though.
Feeling hot? Yeah. Oh, freezing.
That's hairstyle, Bob. We'll go back to the van and do the video, I think. We'll get a lot longer sun here as well, you know.
Huh?
We'll get longer sun here. It goes down there. It looks like a volcano. Gonna try something that probably won't work. But we'll give it a bash. Maybe if I do it in the other pot and then I can put the lid on, it'll like hold the heat in, no? Experiment, cheapest pizzas we can find. If I put...
Wrap in foil, it might not.
wrap the whole thing in foil?
What were you going to say?
That's quite a good idea.
What were you going to say?
Just put it over the top of the pan. Oh yeah! That might work better though if I wrap the whole pizza in foil. Kind of worked. That's nice.
Yeah. Crunchy, no?
Hmm?
Crunchy, no?
Hmm. They're crunchy on the bottom. The sort of cheese stuck to the foil.
Yeah, don't put...
Right. First try, not so bad. Burnt my finger though. Could have been worse. That's not good. That's not good. That's not bad. Right, video time. With the mega office. Yeah, that looks crazy out there.
Yeah, just trying the pasta. Get longer.
There's not much of a day left to be shooting any video, I'm afraid, folks. This one took so long, it's kind of got rid of the day. But, oh well, I've just been relaxing. Have some dinner now. That's about it really, so.
Time to crack open the whisk.
The whisk.
Good clean
We've
whisk.
been drinking wine and whiskey as well.
Like 2-3 glasses.
It's got a problem.
Yeah, but bear in mind our glasses are this big. That's not even one normal glass.
Yeah, I think we're going to go to that Scouts thing again tomorrow, so I shall take you all along with me. But I reckon end the video here because there's not going to be anything else. So you'll actually get a goodbye today. So I shall see you all tomorrow. So bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, Bubble.